plus you have 180 pesos. So, ito po yung given sa problem. So, what are you going to do? Of course, in order to find the answer in that problem, you are going to find the sum first of the given numbers or amount of the items you bought. So, how are you going to do this one? So, arrange first by means of aligning the decimal point regardless of the numbers of your decimal. So, again, you have here 124 and 60 centavos. So, the second number is 160 pesos. Since eto po siya, you have here 160 pesos. Again, yung decimal point po niya, naka-align siya. Ibig pong sabihin ng align, magkatapat po. In other words, you are going to arrange the addends in column by means of make it sure that the decimal point is in one column only. So, since this is 160 pesos and 50 centavos plus you have there 180 pesos and, ay wala na siyang and kasi exactly po 180. So, how will you add? Since you have already written them in vertical form, and again, make it sure that your decimal point is in one column only. So, nagigets po? Isang column lang po yung decimal point. So, now, you are now ready to add or subtract. What is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. You have your 6 plus 5 is 11. And then regroup 1. Since ito po, yung decimal point, lalagay mo lang po din dito sa tapat niya. Again, make it sure that all the decimal points should be in one column only. So you have here 1 plus 4 plus 0 is 5. Then 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 8 is 16. And then there you go. You have there 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So the sum po is 465 pesos and 10 centavos. So that is your sum. Pero the problem is how much daw. Okay. So in order for you to know how much is the remaining money to buy for the other needs, you are going to subtract the sum from the money of mother, which is, how much is that? You have, how much? You have 1,575 pesos. So, if this is the money of mother, the total amount of money, you are asked to find how much left is spent or that she's going to spend for the other needs of the family. So, what are you going to do? Again, erase po natin ito para mas malinaw. So, you have 1,575 pesos. Yun po yung pera ni mother. Again, grade 6. Since you are dealing with amount of money, kailangan po may symbol po na peso sign or isusulat nyo po yung peso sign. So, minus, what is the total? You have again 465 and 10 centavos. Mga anak, since you have here, you are adding and subtracting decimals, kailangan po yung decimal point is in one column only as you can see here. So, you are now ready to subtract and add. Buhay pa po kayo?
Apa, apa.
Okay, very good si Mark Neil. Po. So, again, 0 minus 0 is 0, of course. So, again, 0 minus 1 is cannot be. So, therefore, you are going to regroup and rename. So, it will become 10. This one, you are going to rename. It will become 4. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore, since you renamed it already, 4 minus 5 is cannot be again, regroup and rename again. So rename 7, it will become 6. Then regroup. You have here 14. So what is 14 minus 5? The answer is 9. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, again, since 1 po yan, di naman po kayo nag-rename, so bring down 1. There is no number here, so bring it down. So, the answer is 1,109. Ito na lang po yung natitira sa pera ni mother to spend for other needs of the family. So, how will you know that your answer is correct? Siyempre, you are going to check by means of adding the subtrahend and then the difference. Tingnan natin if the total is 1,575. Let us check. I-add natin to. Shortcut. So, 0 plus 0 is 0. Then, 1 plus 9 is, you have 10. Regroup 1. 6 plus 9 is 15. Then, regroup 1. 7. Then, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then, bring down 1. So, your answer is correct. You have here 1,575 pesos. Therefore, your answer is correct. Again, grade 6. Always remember that when adding and subtracting decimals po, you are going to align the decimal point. Okay, so